The recipe is who you are, how you're connected, and that either, pick which one you want, you have an idea you wanted to get their opinion on, or there's something going on that every X is having to deal with and nobody's talking about, you wanted to make them aware of it. What you don't want to do on those voicemails is hang up and try again, which there are actually sales coaches that say don't leave a voicemail. That is the dumbest thing I have ever heard. You have invested your time, energy, and effort and got all the way through to their voicemail, and you're gonna hang up, okay? The other thing you don't wanna do is this old school trick of like, hey Chad, it's Neil, give me a call, and they'll think it's their college buddy. It doesn't work, right? So you're gonna be professional. Hey Chad, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. You and I are connected because I work with all of the refrigerated produce shippers in the state of Texas. Wanted to reach out to you guys personally. There is something going on right now in terms of rates to get refrigerated cargo that I just wanted to make sure you're aware of. Everybody's having to deal with it. Can you give me a call on my mobile, 720-660-3202, right? Not, hey Chad, Matt Easton with Easton Logistics. Hey, I'd love to have 5 minutes of your time, pick your brain on what you guys are doing, learn a little bit about your business. I think we can probably save you on your logistics, even 3PL if you're dealing with other carriers. I can help you consolidate that stuff. I have literally made that mistake so you don't have to. It doesn't work. I've made that mistake so bad that the voicemail cut me off because I talked for over 3.5 minutes and didn't realize I was having a conversation with myself. The voicemail is not your job to sell your products. The voicemail is your job to evoke enough interest, trust, and credibility for them to call you back. The way to evoke interest, trust, and credibility is who you are, how you're connected, and that you have an idea you want to get their opinion on, or there's something that every blank is having to deal with and nobody's talking about it. The one piece that people seem to struggle with is the how you're connected. I don't know why they're struggling with it. If they're on LinkedIn and you're on LinkedIn, you can say you're connected on LinkedIn. You're not saying first-degree connections. We're connected on LinkedIn. Okay? If you don't want to go down that road, figure out what type of business they're in. You can say, I'm in charge of that, even if it's your first day on the job. If you're in charge of calling that type of company, you're in charge of that. I'm in charge of working with all of our blank in blank, which leads me to the last piece you could be connected. Geography. I work with all of our clients in Dubai. Okay? There's something. Just give them a connection. Just give them something. Okay? As the great and powerful, what was his name from Jerry Maguire? Help me help you, Jerry. Help them help you by giving them a connection. If you just say, hey, my name's blank, I'm with blank, I want to sell you some stuff, they're never going to call you back. You have to say how you're connected. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. You and I are connected because I work with all of the blank in this industry. You and I are connected because I manage all of our relationships in Houston, Texas. Figure out a way. That's trust, authority, credibility, and then throw in some sizzle with interest. There's something going on that I wanted to get your opinion on. There's something going on that everybody's having to deal with, nobody's talking about it. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.